Wi-Fi network installation by Marrakech Telecom, your complete Wi-Fi solution. We are committed to providing a comprehensive Wi-Fi service using the latest technologies, including Wi-Fi 6. Our goal is to deliver top quality Wi-Fi solutions to meet your business needs. Our team consists of highly qualified and experienced professionals in the field of Wi-Fi networks. Each of our experts is dedicated to the custom design, installation, and configuration of your network to ensure optimal performance. Tailored solutions at Marrakech Telecom. We understand that every business is unique. Whether you need a brand new Wi-Fi network for your business or want to upgrade your existing infrastructure, we are here to help you customize the best solution to meet your specific needs. Our packs, WIFI Pro START. Our process begins with a thorough analysis of your business's specific needs. We assess your coverage, capacity, and security requirements. Next, we carefully select the most suitable hardware for your infrastructure, ensuring it meets your performance needs. We are committed to ensuring optimal Wi-Fi coverage in all areas of your business, allowing you to work without interruptions. And finally, our team handles the full configuration and commissioning of your Wi-Fi network, leaving you free to focus on your business. Wi-Fi Pro Booster. With our Wi-Fi Pro Booster offer, we start by evaluating your existing Wi-Fi installation to identify areas that require improvement. We carefully select high-performance hardware to enhance your existing setup, ensuring optimal performance. Our team configures your network for optimal performance, fine-tuning settings to meet your specific needs. In addition to all this, we offer personalized training for your staff so that they can make the most of your enhanced Wi-Fi network. WIFI Pro CARE. With WIFI Pro CARE, our technical team is always there for you. We provide continuous support to resolve any technical issues that may arise, ensuring your business operates without interruptions. We perform regular maintenance on your Wi-Fi infrastructure to ensure it remains reliable and high-performing. We keep you up to date with the latest hardware and software updates for maximum security and performance. We continuously monitor the security of your network to protect your valuable data from potential threats. And of course, we are here to resolve any connectivity issues that may arise so you can focus on growing your business with confidence. Feel free to reach out to us today to discover how Marrakech Telecom can transform your Wi-Fi infrastructure into a source of competitive advantage for your business.